Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a gym test of the MI Sports Bluetooth Basic. Now we'll be using it in the gym in various different kind of exercises and then see how good it's going to be in the gym as a good sounding earphone, good fitting earphone, and all these things will be tested, whether it'll fall off while you're doing exercise, whether you'll be able to hear outside sound, the background sound from the speakers, the people talking. All of that will be tested in this video. So let's go ahead and start some exercises and then we will talk about it. Video, so it's actually pretty good in the gym. I have used it for a very long time actually. This video is pretty late, so I've been using it regularly, and this is one of my favorites for the gym and while I'm going out for a jog and stuff. I do not use it a lot when I'm going to places where I have to listen to other people, because it's not magnetic. You cannot really leave it like a neckband. You cannot leave it. So if you are not using it, you have to remove it and put it in your pocket, because the length is not too long, so it does come off a little. So that's one thing that I've noticed. But when you're using it in the gym, no matter what kind of exercise you do, it's not going to fall. You do not have to worry about it. I didn't even need the ear wings. Even without that, it stays secure. Now let's talk about the sound quality and noise isolation. The noise isolation in this is above average. It's not going to be excellent. There is a little bit of leakage there. Outside sound will come in, but very less. Now this goes pretty loud, so because of that you will not be able to hear a lot of outside sound. Yes, if you put the volume to like 70% or so, then you will be able to hear a little bit of outside music, outside sound, but not that much. So I was not disappointed with the noise isolation. It was pretty good for me. Now sound quality wise, you already know that this is mainly made for sports, so there has to be a little bit of pump, so there is bass in it. Now the entire thing, whatever you listen to, has an influence of bass, so everything will be bassy. So in case you like bass, then go for this. If you don't like bass, you will not get too much of treble in this earphone. So if you're not a big bass fan, then I would suggest go for some other earphone. So that's basically it. We will be talking about the rest of the things in the other videos. The sound test videos, I will be publishing it soon. I've already recorded it. Just editing is left, so I will be putting the sound test videos and the pairing videos, and the rest of the videos I'll be putting very soon. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.